Copy dito, sir. Domain po, RT on D27 for sending to Whiskey arrival. And call you after handover. Thank you, ma'am. Aircraft 2347. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Till 12:46 unang time in. Sa taong 2026, 12:47 ako. Happy New Year! Hi, Sir Mel! Happy New Year! Sir Jeff, mga nag-midnight.
Si Sir Mel, nagaganap ng ano?
Single? Single ka rin ba? Question mark.
Taken.
Hello! Hindi ka, single. O, yung mga air traffic controllers namin, oh. Kunin nyo na, please.
Pamine na lang.
Ah, ito, taken na to.
May mga chicks ako sa bahay.
Ha?
May mga chicks ako sa bahay.
May mga chicks daw siya. Mga manok niya.
Taken for granted.
La.
Sabi nung makareact to.
Copy 9,452 Tarigulu.
RPC 2322 Roger. Abim Lavic. Descent 2,500. Cleared RNP approach runway 27. Report Riguez. Commencing.
Abim Lavi, that's 2,500 and report Riguez, RPC 2323. Cebu 4760, good afternoon.
Cebu 4760 Port Approach.
Port approach, estimate your station 0641. Currently, Arizona info.
Cebu 4760, expect RNP approach, runway 27, Zenith 2 Whiskey arrival, wind 090 at 7 knots, QNH 1007, temperature 29er, cab okay. Go ahead. Go. (130) release. Papa Express. 232 to confirm Riguez.
Our G Master, Riguez number, BC 232.
232 to report Victor Papa 27 Alpha.
Victor Papa 27 Alpha, BC 232. Good afternoon, Cebu 646, passing 1,500, naming 19011.
Cebu 646 Port Approach, good afternoon, the boy 1. Re-cleared level 250, report Radan.
Victor 250, report Rodan, Cebu 646. Cebu 4.